What's going on, guys? So today we have two iPod classics. Right here we have, what is this, a 80 gigabyte 6th generation, and this one was a 7th gen 120 gigabyte, I believe, that the owner upgraded to 128 gigabytes, and the backlight went out. So they sent it to me to replace the LCD, but lo and behold, that was actually the motherboard that was the issue. So I gave them a quote on that, but they said, hey, I have another iPod, so let's Frankenstein it. But I have actually a special guest here with me today. I have my son. He's going to hang out with me while we repair this iPod today. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to take these parts, actually, and we are going to put them in here. Because this battery actually needs to be replaced. Because you see that mark right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what that is that is the battery swelling, putting pressure on the screen, and that's why you have that blemish. See, you see I can kind of like press on it and it moves?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't press too hard though. So over time that can actually damage the screen. So what we're going to do is we are going to take that battery out, the hard drive out, and then we are going to replace it with these. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Can I try prying?
No.
No.
Nope. I not on this one. I'll get you one that you can try on, but yeah,
Okay.
not on a customer's, not yet anyway.
Okay.
I'll have to train them first. All right, here we go. So find a spot between the front and the rear case, and then you kind of just pry it outwards. Not pry outwards, you don't pry it outwards. You go down, and keep working your way around. Ow. That's okay, we're replacing the rear casing anyway. So this is super tight because that battery is putting pressure, exerting pressure up and down, so it's actually really hard to get the casing open.
That big physics.
Yep, because of physics. Kid's smarter than me. Alright, there we go. There we go. And just continue to work your way around. This thing gives you insane hand cramps, though. It's so tight.
Because you're twisting your wrist.
I know.
And twisting your wrist can trap muscles between your blood vessels, which make them trapped and can stop blood from flowing to your hands.
Who taught you that? Man, you are smart, bro.
And that's what happens when people rev their motorcycles.
Oh, rev their motor. What?
Yeah, it's the same thing of doing what you're doing right now.
Oh, like
that wrist turning thing.
I got you.
It's whatever the blood vessel being trapped and not circulating blood to your arm, or I mean your hand. And some motorcyclists actually have their muscles removed in their arm to prevent that from happening.
Interesting. All right. Let's try a different spudger. It's getting tight on this side over here. Okay. So. Oh, come on. I just want to get in there. I just need a spot. It's so tight.
Want me to try?
Okay. Would you... Alrighty. Almost there, kid. Almost. I just need to get in the spot. Man, it's so...
Pressurized?
Oh, there we go. Yep. I just need to keep in there. Working our way along. There we go. Pressure relieved.
Almost.
Almost. Man, this battery is terrible. It's like just... These dang bumpers, they always get like suctioned to the back.
Because of gravity and pressure.
Mm-hmm. Get them out. Gotta get rid of them anyway. There we go.
Can I play with it?
If you want. Okay, there we go.
This is stretchy.
All right, so if any of you guys have seen my videos before, you know exactly what I'm going to say next. You want to resist the temptation to open this thing like a book, because what you have here is the battery cable, and what you can actually do is rip the battery connector off the motherboard. Ask me how I know. So what you want to do is take your spudger and tweezers. Okay, take your spudger, hold down on the battery connector, take a pair of tweezers, pull up on the battery. Now you can open it like a book. And this battery is definitely swollen. I'm going to remove the other one of those that's stuck to the back there. Now we flip over this hard drive, pull out that hard drive, and now we are going to remove the battery next. If I could find my spudger. Once again, I am not prepared. Trying to figure out where all my crap is.
Don't worry, he has a lot of stuff.
I do have a lot of stuff.
He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monitors and like 500 things on his desk.
That's pretty much right.
One all of his stuff you see right here, and on the other desk about a bunch of Taco Bell drinks bottles.
No shadow.
Oh,
All right, here we go. So now, I'm going to take the spudger and we are going to lift up this battery. So on previous videos, I will have softened this adhesive with the bed of my 3D printer, but on this model we don't have to do that because the adhesive on the back of the battery is not covering the entire thing. There's only 2 strips here and here, so we can actually pry these up without fear of tearing the hold switch cable, which is right there. So we just kind of work it loose. There we go. You see that? That's swollen? No, definitely not supposed to be swollen. But yeah, definitely swollen battery. So we're going to throw that in our e-waste pile because we do not want that crap to end up in our landfills. Please recycle your electronics responsibly, please. Okay, let's seat this cable.
I've always wondered what all this stuff was.
That is all junk iPod electronics.
See?
You can see that now?
Yeah. A lot of cables, batteries.
Yeah. All right, now we have the cable seated. We want to take our spudger, and we want to make sure that it is seated all the way, and then close the latch. And set that down there like so.
Sometimes.
You're a latch. Okay, so then we want to open the battery connector next. So take your spudger. You're going to hold down on the white part. You're going to take a handy dandy paperclip tool, run it along the back side. You hear that click. It is up. Now we are going to reseat my guy's battery here. Big battery. Big battery. Big battery. All right, and let's put that home. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. Fix that.
It's brand new.
You're brand new.
Oh.
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 Oh, wait. Actually, hold up a tick. We forgot to swap out their rear casing because it's a 128 gigabyte hard drive. So, duh. So I guess I get to do my little spiel. Make sure you don't open your thing like a book. Actually, we can still do that because the battery's not attached to the back. Never mind. All right, so let's remove this again. Hold down on the battery connector. Remove the battery. We can leave the hard drive in. And then all we're going to do is lift up on this latch right here to remove this cable. There we go. And in comes this one. Take your spudger. And then you're just going to run the cable in here. Close that latch. Put that back down. Okay, so let's raise that battery connector again. Hold down with the spudger there. There we go. Now we're going to seat the battery again. You want to help me, kiddo?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Take a hold of the top of this. And then there you go. You just push down the battery thingy, engaging the battery. Now it's going to fire up.
Should.
Should. Yes, sir. Okay, there we go. She fired up. There's no music loaded on this. I mean, there's probably music loaded on it, but it's paired with a different motherboard, so it's not going to show anything. We need to factory restore it and then resync music. So I'm going to do all of that real quick and test out functionality. Jeez, I can't talk today. So I will see you in just a second as soon as I get something loaded on it. All right, I am back. iPod restored fine. Music is on it. I lost my helper, though. Fortnite was calling him. All right. Let's see here. Good. Put 2 songs on there. My favorite band of the moment, which is Spite. California-based band. I don't know what they would be. Metalcore, deathcore, I don't know. I've kind of lost my way with all the cores. I just like what I like, and I don't even know. All right, let's check it out. Headphones sound good. Okay, play pause is good. Next is good. Previous good. Menu is good. Hold switch is good. Yeah. Let's put it back together. And I still have music playing. So we'll hear if anything goes wrong. Get that started and push down. Oh, it was already in. All right. There we go. There we go. Now we're in. All right, guys. And we're still golden. So, all right, another one fixed. Thank you guys much. If you guys like this content, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Drop a comment down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.